this one is 11 by 14 inches. Welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. In this video I will be doing another unboxing because I showed you my last week's video that 32 acrylic paint from Chalkola. They sent me 2 items, and as I mentioned that I will be doing a separate video for the other item. Thank you Chalkola for sending me these products. So the second item that I'm gonna show you, but before that, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. And also I'm going to put the link in the description box. It's really heavy. Here it is. This, it says canvas by Chalkola right here. There's 20 panels. It's 100% cotton, and it's a multi-pack, and there's all the sizes, you know, down here. So let's open this box. I'm going to show you also how I put the paint on the canvas so you will know the paint looks like, that I already showed you last week's video. Here it is. There's, I think, let me see, I have 4 package in the box. I have this size here. This is the big one. There's 5 panels, and this one is 11 by 14 inches. And this is what it looks like. There's 5 in this package. I can't wait to try this and paint it. It's a pretty nice size if you want to paint your face or anything. Whatever you can paint or draw on this panel. The next size is this 9 by 12 inches, and there's also 5 panels in this package. You know, I have 4 packages in different sizes. Each of the package, there's 5 of them. The next size is right here, 8 by 10. And the last one that I'm gonna show you is this 5 by 7. I think I'm gonna use this 5 by 7. We're gonna paint this thing. I'm gonna use one of this panel or this canvas. And here it is, guys. There. And the big size also. Okay, I have here the 32 acrylic paint. I'm just gonna use okay. I have everything in this box right here. Let me see. I'm just gonna take that thing out. I have 32 colors in this box. I'm gonna pick my favorite color or any color really. Okay, right here I have this 5 by 7, and I have 5 colors over here, and I have this palette also, and the brushes. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some paint right here in this palette. I'm going to use this Indian yellow. And this Naples yellow. That's a different color. As you can see over here, it's a little bit darker color, but on this palette over here, it's light yellow. There's a difference on the color, guys, on the tube and that one. So the next one is this mauve pale. That's a pretty nice color. And this violet. Ooh, that's dark. And the last one is this rose. Ooh, that's pretty bright pink, like a hot pink. So let's start to paint. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna swatch this for you. Let's see how it looks. That's the first color. Okay, and the second color, this one right here. Third one. Ooh, that's pretty bright. The fourth. And the last one. I really like the colors. It's so pretty and vibrant, and if you're into painting, yeah, this one is really good for you, and it's still wet, so that's why it looks like. So what do you think, guys? I already showed you the different colors. It is really pretty. I let it dry for a few minutes and now it's dry. See? I didn't have any on my fingers. It's already dry. Just leave a comment down below, and that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.